What I'm doing here today is changing the oil on a 2005 1.8 liter Nissan Sentra. You'll need to get a new oil filter, some 5W30 oil. You're going to need 2.85 quarts, that's 2 quarts, 27 ounces, or 2.7 liters in metric. And you'll need a cap wrench. This one happens to be the same as a Toyota. It's 65 millimeters and 14 flats on there. You'll also need some rags. You need to jack it up, put it on a jack stand if you're unable to fit underneath there. And you'll need an oil catch pan to catch the drain oil. First thing we're going to do is get the car up to operating temperature, which I already did. I got it in park and I have the parking brake on. Next we're going to block the rear wheels. Next we're going to take our oil dipstick. We're going to just pull it out halfway, leave it out like that. That'll allow air to get into the crankcase to help our oil drain better. Okay, I have the vehicle jacked up. I have it on a jack stand. I have a piece of cardboard down there. I'm going to lay underneath there. I'm going to take a 14 millimeter wrench and loosen up the drain plug on the oil pan. And the oil pan will take and remove the oil drain plug that comes out counterclockwise. Well, it's finished draining. I cleaned up the washer here. That's in bad shape. You'll need to replace that. I'll go ahead and put the drain plug in. And we'll tighten that up just a little over snug. That should be about 30 foot-pounds. Now on the back side of the engine, we will remove the oil filter. You can only access it from the bottom because of the manifold on top. And we'll go ahead and unscrew that counterclockwise. Okay, took the old filter off. You want to ensure that this gasket is not stuck on there. Well, there isn't much room to get the camera up in there. You want to take a rag and then wipe off the mating surface on your new filter here. You want to take and lubricate this gasket with some fresh oil before installing it. Okay, I have the new filter installed. You need to go 3/4 to 1 full turn after the gasket touches the base. And if you need to, you might have to snug it up a little bit with the wrench, but typically you can do that by hand. Now you can remove the jack stand and put the car back on the ground. Okay, now on the top of the engine here, take and remove the oil fill cap here, put that off to the side, and we're going to take a funnel and fill the engine with 2 quarts 27 ounces. Okay, got that filled. We'll place the oil fill cap here. Now we'll take and check the dipstick to make sure that it's up to the right level. Take the dipstick out, clean it. Place it all the way in. Pull it out, and there is a checkered area needs to be in there, and you don't want it above the line that's on there. That is the full hot line. We'll replace our dipstick there. Remove the blocks on the tires. Now if you have a newer Nissan, you'll have to reset the oil reminder light. What you would do is turn the key to the on position just before start, and then on the gas pedal down there you will depress it and let it back up 3 times, and then turn your key to the off position, and that should be reset. If you have an older one like this, we have a decal. You can pick these up from most automotive stores. Usually they'll just give them to you for free, and we'll record the mileage on there when we need to change the oil next. One final thing, properly dispose of your old filter and oil.